Dear children, we have already discussed lesson number 3. Now let's do the back exercise of lesson number 3, that is computer software. Now let's do the self-evaluation of the lesson. I know that a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform its task is called computer software. I know that two main types of softwares are system software and application software. Now I know that an operating system, it controls all the activities of the computer. I know that application software includes programs that perform specific tasks for the user. I know that MS Paint, Logo, MS Excel and MS Word are examples of application software. I know that Windows, Mac operating system and Linux are operating system softwares. Exercise A. Tick the correct answer. Software are mainly of dash types. Softwares are mainly of two types. Second, a software that helps you in doing some specific work is known as dash software. It is known as application software. Third, dash is a part of system software. Yes, operating system is a part of system software. Fourth, dash is an example of operating system. Windows is an example of operating system. Exercise B. Write T for true and F for false in the box. First, softwares are a set of instructions. This is true. Second, operating system is used to perform a specific job. This is false. Third, MS Paint is used to edit a text. False. Fourth, starting and restarting a computer is called booting. True. Fifth, MS Word is used to calculate data. False. Now, exercise C, fill in the blanks. First, dash is a software which controls all the activities of a computer. System software. Second, dash is the first software loaded onto a computer when the computer is turned on. This is operating system. Third, dash is a series of graphical user interface based operating system developed by Apple Inc. Mac operating system. Fourth, dash is a free open source code operating system. Linux. Exercise D. Answer the following questions. First question is, what do you mean by software? Mention its two types. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware what to do and how to perform a particular job. System software and application software are two main types of software. Question number 2 is, what is an operating system? Give an example. So, operating system, it is a software which acts as a bridge between the user and the computer system. It is the first software which has to be installed onto the computer. Microsoft Windows is an example of operating system. Question number 3. What is a system software? Give an example. So children, system software is a type of software that controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. Operating system is an example of system software. Now question number 4. Explain any two types of application software. The two types of application software are MS Word and MS Excel. Now, Microsoft Word, it helps us to create documents with ease and efficiency. And Microsoft Excel helps us to perform calculations and store the data in a tabular format. Question number 5. Differentiate between cold and warm booting. Now students, when a computer is switched on, this process of booting is called cold booting, and the process to restart a computer that is already powered on is called warm booting. Next, E exercise, application based questions. Now question number 1 is, Kapil is restarting his computer. What type of booting is he doing? He is doing warm booting. Now question number 2 is, Rohan is drawing pictures on his computer. Which software is he using? He is using MS Paint software. Now children, let's do some fun activity. Rearrange the jumbled words and write them correctly in the space provided. First, yes, what can be the answer? It is hardware. For the second jumbled word, answer is, yes, it is software. And the third is operating system.